Welcome to the weekly recap of English language news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. Trieste steps up security with more private patrols across the city. Trieste is strengthening public safety through a partnership between local police and private security guards. Funded by the Friuli Venezia Giulia region, the program patrols public spaces, protects municipal property, and reports incidents.
Among the many measures that the municipality of Trieste and the local police use to protect citizens and the city, there is also the important support of the security guards. They are highly appreciated by the citizens. Their service are very important, and they are coordinated by the local police command.
Sì, 2019, quindi all'inizio della scorsa legislatura abbiamo voluto inserire questa linea di finanziamento specifica a favore dei comuni con popolazione sopra i 25.000 abitanti e più 2 comuni turistici Grado e Lignano. Soldi ai comuni per poter acquisire vigilanza privata per implementare il controllo del territorio.
La polizia locale fa parte del contesto dell'ordinamento di ordine pubblico che è principalmente della polizia di Stato, ma viene definito anche alla polizia locale in funzione ausiliaria. Le guardie particolari giurate svolgono quell'attività che si chiama cosiddetta sicurezza sussidiaria, di conseguenza sono soprattutto qualificate per la tutela del patrimonio, quindi presidio di beni pubblici, e noi li utilizziamo anche per dare anche un'assistenza ai cittadini, quindi dare una percezione, sono riconoscibili, sono in uniforme, sono preparati e possono fornire sia un'attività di deterrenza nonché di collaborazione con le altre forze dell'ordine e in particolare anche con la nostra sala operativa per segnalare eventuali situazioni o di pronta emergenza oppure che possono essere pianificate successivamente.
Trieste goes green, one shady square at a time.
Trieste is introducing a new way to combat rising summer temperatures with the installation of mobile plane trees in 3 historic city squares. The large planters will create much-needed shade in areas where permanent trees cannot be planted because of heritage restrictions.
The first experience of a green area with some plant that we put in Piazza Venezia, Piazza della Borsa and later in Piazza del Ponte Rosso.
Perché sono degli alberi impalcati, costruiti così a tetto, proprio per creare delle tettoie naturali.
Sai, abbiamo 40 gradi, io non ho mai visto una temperatura simile. L'unica cosa che dico, state più possibile chiuso nelle case, le persone anziane, bere molta acqua. Ieri ero con i medici, mi hanno detto bere almeno 2 litri di acqua al giorno, questa è una cosa molto importante.
Big dogs, small seats. ITA Airways welcomes large pets on board.
Starting August 3rd, ITA Airways will allow large dogs to travel on selected domestic flights, following Italy's aviation authorities' approval. The new service is designed to make flying with pets easier while maintaining safety standards. What do you think about this requirement?
Well, he answered, it would be good, yes. We're forced to put him in a pensione when we fly abroad. So it would be good. It would be good, yes. I don't know if they allowed a 45 kilos dog on a plane. Yeah. He's very good, though. He's good in cars and trains, and never been on a plane with him.
I'm against because in an airplane that's a really small room, and big dogs in this room. I think that's not good because it's an animal, and
Well, I think it's a right decision because if you travel with your animal, you want him to be.
My main problem with it is the dog, how the dog behaves on the flight. I guess that's the main topic, the main problem.
For me, it's okay.
To have them on the flight?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't care.
From scorching city streets to cool mountain peaks, Friuli Venezia Giulia residents escape the summer heat.
As temperatures in Trieste and Udine neared 37 degrees, many residents headed to the mountains for relief. In Selinevere, where temperatures stayed below 25 degrees, hikers and families enjoyed fresh air and traditional meals at mountain huts, a welcome relief from the summer heat.
We visit the Maiga Montasio because of the hot weather in the cities. We are from Carinthia, from Villach, and so we enjoy the weather and not the hot weather in the city.
I'm from Rome, but we came to visit my wife's parents, and it was very hot also there, so we were just here to take some fresh air and have some nice walk and some good montage as well.
From Trieste, but we live in Rome, and today my parents-in-law they came here in Trieste to visit the town, so I wanted to bring them somewhere not hot as it is in Trieste. So here we are experiencing a bit of warm climate here.
Summer crowds embrace Friuli Venezia Giulia's coast.
Many are choosing Friuli Venezia Giulia as their summer getaway destination.
Allora, tante cose veramente. Una è la piazza, poi il castello di Miramare. In realtà ci eravamo già stati, però vogliamo approfondire di più la visita. E poi anche l'Istria. E niente, il mare, la bellezza. Ci piace vedere l'Italia e conoscerla meglio.
We're doing visit from France to Croatia, and it was in the middle, and we stayed here 2 nights.
Never been to Trieste before, never been to this part of Italy before. The cafe culture here as well seems very cool, sort of quite, Central European, sort of mixed with like the Mediterranean.
You have to come in an open mind because it is very multicultural. It has a lot of different history, whether it's the Austro-Hungarian Empire, Roman, Balkan. So you do come here and it is very different than the rest of Italy for this reason.
I like Trieste, but I would add on, you have to take in the culture. What I do is when I come, because I'm not very abreast with the language, I listen and I watch people a lot, but the people are very nice and very welcoming here. It has a big city feel for a small city.
My first impression is that it's a combination of a lot of different places in one. We've just come from Venice and it's completely different from here, and the architecture here is so different to when I've been to other places in Italy.
Yeah, I think so. I think the identity of the people and like the melting pot of food, there's such a variety of different food that comes from different culture, it's perfect.
Yeah, like it's Balkan, it's Italian, it's like Austrian, there's so much. Yeah.
3 football giants, 1 stage. The Friuli Venezia Giulia Cup puts Udine in global spotlight.
Udine has hosted the first Friuli Venezia Giulia Cup, bringing Udinese, FC Barcelona and Nottingham Forest to the Blue Energy Stadium. The international football event attracted thousands of fans, while special tourism initiatives encouraged visitors to discover Udine and the wider region, with free museum access and other benefits for ticket holders. Di dove siete e perché siete qua oggi?
Siamo di El Salvador e siamo per vedere la partita di Barcellona.
Siete venuti appositamente da El Salvador?
Sì, certo, solo per vedere soltanto il Barcellona.
Where are you from and why are you here today?
I'm from Ukraine, and today I'm here to watch the Friuli Venezia Giulia Cup.
Who do you hope is going to win?
I hope Udinese is going to win.
We're from Austria and we're here for FC Barcelona for sure. And we were in San Daniele and we ate some prosciutto and drank some wine.
Thank you for watching in Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.